Hey, I'm Elizabeth. Today, we're talking about how to make branded merch your team and customers will actually want to wear. Whether you're a small business, a startup, or planning your next event, your company merch doesn't have to be boring. It doesn't have to feel like an afterthought. Let's dive into what makes merch great and how to avoid the cringe. So let's start with the basics. What even is company swag? Swag, merch, freebies, branded goodies, whatever you call it. It's branded stuff that companies give away, usually for free. That can be t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, stickers, tote bags, you name it. But it always has the company's branding on it in some way. When done right, swag is a marketing tool and a branding opportunity. It can help your brand stay top of mind, give people a sense of belonging, or even make them feel proud to be a part of your company. Good company merch turns your employees and customers into walking ambassadors for your brand, and that's powerful. Here's a stat I found. 59% of employees who get company merch say it actually improves how they feel about their workplace. Everyone loves getting free stuff, right? But let's be honest, some swag just ends up in the trash before the day's over because it's either not useful or just poor quality. You know the kind. A scratchy t-shirt with a badly printed logo, one that screams corporate in the worst way. A cheap pen that dries out after a couple of uses, or a mug that chips as soon as you wash it. I decided to dig around Reddit for a while to see how others feel about company swag, and I found this comment. Most company swag is low quality and people aren't keen to use stuff that's lower quality than what they already own. Yeah, that's a great point. And this one stuck with me. People prefer high quality products or clothing they will actually use or wear. They will wear it because they like the product regardless of the company logo. And that's the difference between giving someone their new least favorite pen and a sleek notebook they'll take to meetings every day. So, how do you actually ensure that your swag is loved and not landfilled? Let's break it down into 5 tips. Tip number 1, prioritize quality. We've talked about this already, but I'll say it again because it really matters. Quality matters a lot. Don't just go for the cheapest option to save a few bucks. If the product feels cheap, it reflects on your brand. Think soft, cozy hoodies, sleek, durable drinkware, premium feel notebooks. These are the kinds of items people actually want to use and keep using. Tip number 2, make it personal. Want your swag to feel special? Personalize it. Add people's names, their roles, or even a little inside joke from the team Slack channel. That little touch can go a long way. Plus, a personalized gift feels thoughtful and premium, and people are way more likely to wear or share it. With embroidery, for example, you can add those custom touches and make it look seriously elevated. Bonus, personalized merch is the kind of thing people might share online, which means free exposure for your brand. Tip number 3, choose items they'll actually use. Think water bottles, laptop sleeves, comfy t-shirts, but take it a step further. Consider how they will use them. Maybe it's something for work, something wellness related like yoga mats or gym bags, or even a little gourmet treat for the foodies. It's about making swag that fits into people's actual lives. Tip number 4, use on-demand tools. Gone are the days of ordering 100 mugs and hoping you'll actually get rid of them all. With on-demand fulfillment, you can offer custom swag without the overstock or waste. At Printful, we have a tool called Merch Share. It lets you create a branded product catalog your team can browse and order from directly. They get to pick what they want, in the size they need, and it gets shipped right to them. It's especially great for remote teams. No office? No problem. I also recorded a Merch Share tutorial. You can check it out after this video. Tip number 5, reflect your brand's vibe. Your merch should feel like you. If you're a minimalist tech startup, go for clean designs and muted colors. If your brand is big on sustainability or social impact, pick products and partners that share your values. Your swag is an extension of your brand, so make sure it speaks your language. One thing that really stood out to me while putting this video together was that print on demand just makes so much sense for company merch. You don't have to order in bulk or deal with stacks of leftover stuff. With Printful, there's a huge range of of products, over 300 actually, that you can customize and ship on demand. So whether it's a cozy hoodie, a mug, or even something for the home, you can find something that fits your brand and your team. Karim, who uses Printful to run an employee swag business called Jappy, summed it up perfectly.
The whole on-demand model is just more sustainable at its core. You produce whatever is needed at that moment, because they will actually then use the swag instead of giving it away or binning it.
If you're looking for more swag ideas, we've got a whole list on the Printful blog. Click the link here and check it out. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, happy selling!